Are you thinking about editing YouTube videos? Looking for an app to create professional-looking videos using your mobile phone? If you want to know about a free, no watermark, easy editor, don't skip this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share videos about mobile video editing, YouTube tips, and free apps. Today, we're starting the VN Video Editor tutorial series. In this first video, I'll simply explain what VN Video Editor is, what you can do with it, whether it's good for beginners. In the next videos, we'll do practical editing step by step. What makes VN Video Editor special? No watermark 100%. Free professional tools, mobile friendly. Fast rendering. Even a beginner can create a pro-looking video. Let's take a look at the main features of VN Editor: cut/, trim/, split music and sound effects, text and titles, transitions filters and color adjustment, slow motion/fast motion. VN Video Editor is perfect for beginners, YouTubers, students, content creators, small business videos. Even if you have zero knowledge about editing, there's no problem. In this series, Episode 01, Introduction, Episode 02, App Interface, Episode 03, Cut and Trim, Episode 04, Text and Subtitles, Episode 05, Music and Effects, Episode 06, Export Settings, YouTube Quality. So subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Video editing is an important skill today. If you have a mobile phone, you can start a YouTube channel. Let's learn together using VN Editor. If this video is useful, give it a like. Leave a comment and tell me what you want to see in the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.